Hello, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use the virtual eToro. Now, if you see here, once you create your account, you will have $100,000 cash available. Now, to invest this, come over to here where it says watch list. Now here will be all the main stocks. You also can come down here and copy people. You can also add in different sections such as crypto, commodities, stocks, indices, currencies, people, and smart portfolios. Let's come to crypto. Let's say we want to buy Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, and in here it will give you its performance. If you come to chart, you can see the charts of Bitcoin and make your predictions from here. You can also come to analysis. However, this is only for a funded account. News is also here, once again for a funded account. And finally, financials is all stated here. So, coming back to performance, we have a quick look through it. That looks good. Now we press trade. Now, here you want to choose between a short and a buy. We're going to choose buy. And wait once it's loaded. Once it's loaded, we can choose a stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be negative $20,000. And set. Looks like it can only be lower than $10,000, so we set this. And now we can choose our leverage, which looks like can only be 1%. And our take profit, we'll choose 15,000. The order type, we can rather choose the market order or a limit order. Right now, a market order is the best choice. Now, please note that this money is in USD. Finally, look at our estimated costs and then press buy. Now, the order is fulfilled. If we come down to portfolio, we can see that here it is. And then this is our profit first loss. So straight away, we are at negative $200. If we're scared about this, we can close it or we can trade more. These dots can make us view the chart, which we see here. So we brought here and it dropped to here. Now, if you come over to Discover, we can explore the full global market. From, once again, stocks, crypto, indices, commodities, currencies, EFTs, copying people, and smart portfolios. You can also search stocks, such as here, for example, Samsung. And here is the Samsung Electronics Group. And once again, we can do the same thing. If you can also search for people here, such as John. And here, we can find a person. Look at his stats. Furthermore, he's been trading for 6 years. 2024 May was his best year. And also we can copy him by doing the same process as a Bitcoin. However, this way is a little bit different. You can also edit here and press invest. Now, if there's any more questions you have, please leave a comment down in the description and we'll get back to you making a video of your tutorial. Like and subscribe.